Hi, welcome to Don's Workshop. This is part 8 of my Lego pickup truck build. Left off last time, this is what finished the truck. This time we're just building the accessories that go with the truck. So let's get into that. Okay, we're just going to do these vegetables. Together. That shouldn't take too long. Okay. There we go. All the flowers. Okay. Okay, a basket with a bunch of carrots in it. Got white carrots. Orange carrots. Lots of... 4 of each. Piece there. Where's the other white carrot? There it is. Okay. There's the basket of carrots. And the basket of apples. Green leaves here. Come on. Oh, there we go. Some with flowers. Some with flowers. Some with leaves. Oh, is there 8? There's 8. Not sure if there's actually 8. Well, if I see some more, I guess I'll put them over there. Okay, got those. If I saw there's another red one. And we got this sign, I think, or something going on here. There's a green piece here, and then turn it over, get some tiles on there, and a jumper. And okay, and then we have this. Put that in there. That goes on top. A couple of these. Looks like it's gonna be a, oh yeah, it's a milk jug. And I need that and that. And we have 2 handles to put on there. So they go this way. milk sticker. And it just has to be somewhere on here. There we got milk. Okay. Now we got a little container. And those go there. And build that on the other side too. For autumn, there is a crate with small pumpkins and a sign. This is a crate with small pumpkins. Okay, we got some headlight bricks. One by one plate on them. And there's that one. And that one. Okay. Tiles on the sides. 2 tiles each side. And there we go. And tiles on the top. That nifty looking crate. And then a bunch of pumpkins go in the crate. And the flowers go on the top. There's 2. We got 5 pumpkins, it says. I don't see that missing red one. And where is that? There's the 5 pumpkins. And now the sign. Okay. The Technic pin. Like so. And we take these and put wait a second. Oh, that's weird. I didn't put that on the way it's supposed to go kind of like that. Okay. And then like that. Like that. Okay. Now the stand pieces. Dropped. That dropped. Oh, we got the last 2 stickers to put on. Okay. I want to put this sticker on. Okay, get that on there straight. That's one. Today's pick, fresh from the farm. Okay. There we go. And it's the sign. Now we have some other pieces here. Okay, snot bricks and a few snot bricks. Okay, the double-sided ones go on the top. And the 3-sided ones go on the bottom, or four-sided. And there's a transparent tile down the top there. Okay. I'm making a couple of whatever this is. Put on the sides. Oh, it's a watering can. Okay. Clip on the top here, clip on the back. And then we have I think it's a candlestick piece. There it is. That piece I dropped on the floor. No, that's not right. Oh no. Oh, I see. You're supposed to hook this into that. This poser thing. And then that candlestick goes on that. And then we have a little pad piece, and that goes in there. Okay. We have a rubber piece with some hinge pieces to go on the ends. Okay, we're gonna get it straight the same direction there. And that will be the handle for that. Okay, now a little wreath. A little wreath to put together. Okay, it goes like this. And then one goes on top. This hinge. Can you get that in there? There we go. And then we flip it around. Oh no, it should be this way. Or did I do that right? Ah. Okay. The stud goes on the top. That goes together. And then this goes this way. And now you have to hook in three pieces like so. They're gonna stay. Got axles to stick in there. I think that's to make them stay. Though don't think they're gonna stay until I get that second piece on. Honestly, just don't think they're gonna stay. Put one like that. One like that. Okay, that's... They're supposed to stay. Oh wait. Okay, that's supposed to... Come on. There's no way those are staying. Okay, now the thing is you have to put ones here. Or they're supposed to, okay, that's supposed to go there. And then it does go over top. Okay, come on. Hold on there. There's, okay, that's what we're looking for. And then that one goes there. Then we have one on the other side. And one goes on top again. Can we get you to there? Okay, that's the only way they stay, that axle. Okay, we're trying this again. They just don't stay when it's just a single stud into one of these. Okay, it's axles again. Same thing. Can we get that? We got that tile to put on. And then let's say, yeah, let's just jump up there so I know what to do here. Yeah, so that goes there. Goes there. Goes there. You gotta pop this one on top. There, now that holds in there. And then you gotta do the same thing over here. Pop it on top. Come on, oh. Everything's coming apart. Okay. Come on. Ah. There we go. There, that's tricky pieces there. Okay, so now I need to put the one that connects them all together at the bottom here. And it's like so. An axle and a tile, and then hold it all together. Come on, come on. There, and where we go. That's together. Now you gotta turn it upside down and put some brown studs all around. Okay. There's that part. Okay, we have to take this brown stud and a couple of these. This is brown. Okay, not red, brown. Okay, you gotta put this like so, and this like so. Okay. Hinges. That jumper, and then these curved slopes. goes underneath there. Okay. Oh, that's not in there. Okay. Now you put some tiles and a jumper. Go on top of each side here. So the tile goes to cover that up. And same for the other side. For this wheelbarrow. And okay. Get this tiles together here. Now kind of a just an interesting little pattern. Alternating jumpers and tiles. There we go. Flip it over. Got a couple of clips. And then you turn this over. And that's supposed to hook up there. And then we have this. And we hook these on and they go there. And the other side. Okay, that's that. Oh, this is a little, and then this little wheel. That's nifty. And that goes in here, and we've got a axle to put through there. And flip it over and make this, and that clips on to those clips there. Okay, and then you're supposed to make little flower pots. Some yellow flowers. Put them to stack them up. Got yellow flowers. There was one. Oh, that's what the jumpers are for. Yellow flowers, white flowers. There's the white flowers. And some red flowers. flowers go on there. Okay. And done like that. For spring, there's a wheelbarrow with flowers and a watering can. Okay. And that's it. What? Oh, wait a second. What's this for? What was this for? For summer, there are 2 wooden baskets with tomatoes and carrots and a pail of milk. Okay. Oh, this is supposed to have this go on it. I don't know. It's just this. I don't know. Doesn't show anything else. It's just that's what it is. Accessories represent produce of the farm throughout the 4 seasons. So that's what these things are for. I don't know where that other red apple went, but oh, they're all here. I just did an extra flower. That's all. Okay. Okay. Well, this has been the pickup truck build, and this is a very cool build, and it's got, you can put all your stuff in there, display it, that comes down, got a watering can, whatever this is, but I think maybe that goes on the seat, maybe that's what the jumper's for. You put that in there. There's a jumper in there, not sure why, maybe it's for the gift. Okay. You have a milk jug and some flowers and a sign. So there we go. That has been part 8 of my Lego pickup truck build. Stay tuned for a review tomorrow. So please subscribe. Thanks for watching and take it easy.